How to change language on Rednote. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Rednote app on your device and make sure you are logged into your Rednote account. Once logged in, tap on the Me icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen to navigate to your profile settings. Now here you can see gear icon available right next to the edit profile. Here you can see general settings option available. Tap on it, then tap on the language. Now from the list of available language, select any according to your preferences. So here you can see, if you want to change it to the English, then repeat the same process. Go to the profile, tap on the settings, again tap on the general settings, then tap on the language, then tap on the English option available there, and again it will be changed. Please note that while the interface will change to English, some user-generated content may remain in its original language. Additionally, certain features or sections might still display in Chinese until further updates are made. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.